good. Are you stuck? Are you stuck? Here, try again. We'll go this way. Want help? Did you hurt your back when you sat down? Let me see. Did your bones get? Oh, maybe a little. You okay? Are you alright? Oh, let's go get it. You want to go get it? We're going to walk to it. Let's go get it, okay? Alright. Here we go. Oh, stand up big. There we go. Oh, now guess what we gotta do? Good.
I see you.
Go get it.
You want something up on top.
Oh, you want the tree house? You stay standing. You stay standing? Oh, keep moving in. There. You want this one? Is that what you want? Here. You want some people?